Hi everyone, welcome back to my home. Today we're taking down Christmas in my dining room area and decorating it for the new year. While I'm resetting my home to a more minimal decor for the winter months and I'm doing some undecorating, my hope is to inspire you to help homemaking easy. If you're looking for creative ideas for home decor, some DIY projects, you're in the right place. Or if you just need a kindred spirit in life, I hope you find it here. I have a love-hate relationship with the end of the holiday season and into the winter months. I don't like leaving Christmas behind knowing it's a full year until we get to have all that fun again. Yet by the time January comes around, I'm ready to declutter and de-Christmas, giving my home a break from lots of decorations, getting my home back to normal. Then, yet again, it's sad because my house looks so boring and plain after being so festive and cheerful. I almost was going to just go back to a farmhouse decor setting, but I decided to pick out a few things from my Christmas decorations for the cold gray winter days. I think it builds that anticipation for spring, which of course is just approximately 80 days away. With that being said, that brings me to the question, do you have a favorite season? I would love to know your favorite season. Let me know in the comments section below. Spring, summer, fall, or winter. I will post my favorite season pinned in the top comment section of this video. One of my biggest tips for how to keep your home cozy after Christmas is to keep out your plain trees and greenery. I still have a lot of my plain bottle brush trees out, and I think they look perfect for winter. I didn't want to jump straight into spring decor, so I think having a lot of deep greens out around the house makes it feel more cozy while still keeping in touch with the season. I already changed out the artwork above my shelf. I took down the Christmas sign and put up this wall art that I got from Hobby Lobby years ago. You've seen it in my bedroom. I thought I would bring it out. I love the colors. And I'm just going to make my buffet here a true buffet with some of my kitchen dishes. Since I didn't decorate my table up, I thought I would use my dishes over here and create something that we can just come and grab a dish if we need it and decorate it up a little bit for the winter months. But here is my winter decorations for 2024. And my table is so simple. And the reason why I did not decorate my table, this is puzzle season. My husband's retired and we do love to work some puzzles. So I have left a clean slate there that we can spread out and enjoy a cup of coffee and work a puzzle. I also love to have the glow of a candle burning too. Not only does it make your space smell great, but it makes it look cozy too. Some of you have requested to know a little bit more about me or maybe about us. So what I would like to do is to invite your questions, anything pertaining to my life or our life, Larry and myself. So just post your questions in the comment below and let us know, and I will get back with you with a Q&A. For all my prayer warriors out there, please keep Marion and Sandra in your prayers. The Lord knows the needs in their life, and just keep them in your thoughts and prayers. This is my hutch, and I just moved a little bit of the dark trees with the village over on the hutch, and just left some of the trees. And like I said, I love to use the pine cone picks and just use the darker greens in my winter decor. All of my little ironstone creamers are on one shelf, and I did decorate up my adobo with just a simple snowflake in it for the winter months. I am using things that I have on hand. I am also doing a no spend January. One of the reasons is that my card got compromised, and so I decided to do a no spend January while they get my account situated. My banker sent me a message and asked if I had made a purchase of $15 on Facebook the other day, and I told them no, it wasn't me. A minute later, they called me and they asked a few questions about my latest purchases and said they were going to cancel my card. Now, they're not canceling my account, they're just going to issue a new card. So I thought that'll be the perfect opportunity to do a no spend January. So I'm very thankful that they're on top of the matter and that they contacted me. Now, just a reminder, guys, if you're putting away your candles for this year, take the batteries out. You don't want to store those batteries. They will leak in your storage bins. So that's just a quick reminder. I love how we went from completely decked out for Christmas back to a more refreshed look going into 2024. I hope this video was helpful and inspirational to you. Next week, I'm going to tackle decorating my kitchen, so make sure that you're subscribed and give this video a thumbs up so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.